Hello, welcome to the vlog. Let me tell you why today is important. Because, when did I get rid of the, let's say by the end of June I got rid of my Jeep. That means Meatball has not had a puppy cup at Starbucks since the end of June. Do you want to go for a ride? Puppy cup? Okay, let's go. Let's go get a puppy cup, Meatball. By putting the word private on the title, that allowed me to get insurance. The insurance allowed me to get it registered, and I have a tag. I can drive the vehicle to go get supplies. Yeah, I get to park the bike today. Meatball has not had a legitimate definition pup cup in a while. It's Sunday, Meatball. Ooh, it's Sunday. All right, let's go. Ready? One addition since the last vlog. Look. Oh, it's locked. That's why I might do this trim work. There are such major things that have to happen. My first day off in a while, the idea that I'm going to do trim work, we'll see. Let's see. Come on, Meatball. A 9.5 foot clearance. Meatball will not be going through the drive-thru. Almost there. Almost there, baby. Oh. Who's so excited? It's been a minute, Meatball. Let's go. Gift cards from my birthday. Thank you, everyone who sent one. I'm actually missing some tool supplies for the truck. So today I'm going to commit to more molding and prepping and cleaning up. Because the next thing I'm going to do is going to be giant. It's going to be a mess. Okay, you ready, sweetie? This has been too much excitement for one day. All right, you ready? Oh, you've been a good boy today. You've had a lot of excitement. Good boy. This is my very first genuine, by definition, day off. And you want to know the equation? Let's go to vacation arithmetic. Time recovery is equal or no lesser than the same amount of time away. I was gone 3 weeks. It has taken me 3 weeks to catch up with work, catch up with bills, catch up with sleep. Just catch up. Let's clean everything up. It has been a while. And then what I really hope I'm doing is I'm setting the stage for the next step. Either the solar on the roof or the shower. All right, Meatball, let's go inside. You were a good boy. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go inside. Inside. This is a peculiar truck remodel video. Because I feel like it's not about the truck. No, I think this vlog is I'm checking in. Here's what happened is before I took my trip to Greece, I obsessed about the truck and I neglected the yard. Now that I'm back, I'm obsessing about the yard. It's not that I'm neglecting the truck, I don't know where to start. Yeah, I keep doing trim work. This thing needs more than trim work. And I'm not doing heavy lifting. But when I tell you, if I purchased that truck in June, I hadn't pulled weeds since May. We could pretend it's balanced, but there seems to be only so much air in the balloon, and when I squeeze it too hard on this side, all the air goes that way. This is what you call a lot of work, but it's an easy task. Just pull weeds. Oh, it definitely needed to be done. So, yeah, it's all backwards. I worked inside the truck when it was 135 degrees. Now, it's all backwards. I've been saying this entire back is gonna come down. Demolition is free. Demolition is free. I could do that today. I'm not going to. So, Look at my handiwork here. My door. So my door now feels very integrated. All right. There's a little catch in the slide. I actually believe it'll work its way out, but it's discouraging. It's discouraging. Let's cut the shower panels. All right, so I'm gonna work on the shower. The shower, for cost effectiveness and for weight, will be made out of insulation foam. I'm gonna need a couple days to create and complete this, but I think today we can cut the panels. All right, shower. These two need to be cut. Measure. I am sure that this to here is probably not the same distance as that to there. This might be a box, but it's not a square. Turn this off while I have my mathematical nervous breakdown. I'm going to get right back with you. Please hold. What I learned is pre-cut square side has to be over here. What I create will be over here. So this seam has to be perfect. So this I'll cut on the wall. Okay, I'm gonna have a mathematical nervous breakdown again. Please hold. So late and removed from the design portion of this ride, but I have yet to figure out the top. It was gonna be a sunroof. I can't do that. I was going to be a fan. I can't do that. It was going to be a light. It takes up too much room. I've always said I'll just figure out as I go. Well, the as I go is getting closer. I've done, let me think about this. I have done as much as I should do, not can do, should do. So look. So I'm beginning the shower. So, should this vehicle have a shower? That's a debate I still keep going through my head. Listen, I'm ending this vlog with I have a lot to think about. Number one, I need 2 days off in a row to tackle what I need to do this. I don't believe it can happen in 1 day, and yeah, so I think I can do that next week. Okay. I came in here, I caulked all of this. This is all caulked. I know it's a disappointing vlog, but you got to see Meatball. I'm in over my head, but I always have been. The difference is I didn't know it before. And as always, there's only one way through this predicament, and that is to complete it. Okay, till next time.